Hello! Welcome back to Sweet Life Maggie. Today we're going to talk about travel packing tips and hacks. Okay, so what I did is to put everything on the bed so that it'll be easier for me to sort them out and put them all in one luggage. Okay, so first things first, I have a lot of liquid containers. Nasa tube lang naman sila. So, these are what I consider my essentials kasi I have skin asthma and I get allergies easily. So, yung mga things na nandito, I cannot live without. Syempre for the face, mga toner, moisturizer, sunblock, and so on and so forth, diba? So, these are the things I need. I'm going to pack for 6 days, 5 nights. So, not too many, nothing fancy kasi hindi naman ako pupunta dun para pumorma. So, I'm going there to just accompany my father for his farm duties or whatever. Diba, sasamahan ko si Papa. So, ayan, as you can see, lalagay ko lahat sa Ziploc. You can also put it inside a smaller bag. But I can actually just make use of the Ziploc lang kasi hindi naman ganun ka-heavy my luggage right now. This is my extra bag. And of course, undies. Normally, I also bring disposable undies kasi I don't really wanna wash when I'm in travel. So, pero syempre preference nyo yun, whatever. Okay, so I have clothes here. I have 2 sets of pajamas for my 5 nights of stay. These are my clothes. So I have a dress. Dapat yung press ko, okay? Hindi masyadong kusutin. I also like my clothes na color coordinated. This one is just an extra, just in case ma-short ako ng isa sa mga blouses or tops. So I have a plaid, black, gray, white, and I'll make it, may katerno siyang dry fit na sleeveless din na top. And then I also have one blouse na ito, as you can see, it doesn't really crease that much. I don't even have to like perfectly fold it. So one top and then a shorts that would go with it. So as you can see, diba? Plain and then print. I also have a sleeveless top na medyo manipis siya para airy yung feeling, diba? Kasi medyo mainit din sa farm. And ang kapartner nun, printed naman with stripes. So it's blue on blue. As you can see, very color coordinated ako. And then, this is what I'm going to wear going back. So medyo kusot siya, but then again, may plancha naman sa pupuntahan ko. So, carry lang yon. Alright, so that's it. Very simple. Just in case, makapunta kami ng beach, makapasyal, diba? Kasi maraming beach sa Aklan. It's not just Boracay. So, I'm bringing myself a rash guard and a shorts. I make sure na long sleeves na this time. Kasi medyo, alam nyo na, nasunog si Mommy the last time we went to Boracay a few months back. So, there, diba? Feeling ko naman it's less than 10 kilos. Right? So, I'm going to wear sneakers going there, but I'm bringing my flip-flops kasi syempre, pag nasa bahay ka. And then, going out to the market or wherever, eto. As you can see, it's black. So, pwede siya sa kahit na anong outfit na I chose to bring with me on this travel to Aklan. So, we just put it in a shoe bag. And then, zip it up, close it, and there you go. I need to have all of this inside my maleta. Okay, so this is my luggage. Actually, pwede siyang hand carry, but I will have to check this in kasi nga, meron akong mga liquids. Okay, we're only allowed kasi 10 ml of liquid sa hand carry natin. We have to put the liquid containers sa bottom kasi dapat heaviest of our luggage is nandun sa pinakababa. I also have to put my slippers dun sa pinakalikod and just roll other things to occupy the space of this luggage. So, konti lang talaga yung dala ko. I don't think it will, be more than 10 kilos this time. So, we'll just put it there. Yung mga pajamas. I only have 2 sets kasi hindi ko naman kailangan magpalit every day since the whole day naman, iba yung suot ko, diba? But of course, it's up to you if you wanna change every day. Alright. That's pag-uwi ko, kung may mga kailangan akong idagdag, bigyan, whatever, nandyan siya. Okay? Seal lang natin to. So again, liquids inside. Viola. Actually, pwede naman sa backpack, pero may scoliosis kasi ako, so hindi ako talaga. Hindi ko love mga backpack. So we're done with my maleta. So I have 10 kilos allowance and a 7 kilo hand carry. Okay, sa hand carry, etong gagawin natin. So, I do not leave home without my laptop. Okay, this is my life. So, we put it inside. And then, lahat ng charger, electronic gadgets, power bank, whatever. Pasok natin siya dito para hindi masyado makalat. Okay, but this should be in your hand carry. Okay? Hindi siya pwede i-check-in. Bawal. So, kailangan ko ng notebook kasi I like to doodle. I like to write whatever ideas that I have. I write it down. So, there. I have a notebook. Kailangan ko ng libro. Masyado na akong nag-online consume ng online thingy. So, this one is a good read. I have really started this one. So, hopefully, matapos ko siya. Salamin. Ang salamin, dapat hindi mamahalin kasi ready ka na huwag masaktan kung ito ay mabasag, mahulog, masira, or whatever. Okay? So, glasses here, pens here, phone. Okay. Documents. Ticket lang kailangan. Sa Aklan, nagtanggal na ng QR code. So, ticket. Tsaka may back cert ako digitally nandun sa phone. So, just in case hanapin. Insert it here. And finally, wait lang. Here. It's a must. I always have my prayer book. So, it's on there. So, as you can see, I only have 2 pens. So, laptop. And this one, I'm gonna check again. Okay? Happy travels! Okay, so weigh your luggage in advance to avoid surprise upon checking in. We do not want to pay for excess baggage in the airport. For the recap, pack your heaviest at the bottom. All water containers are to be checked in. Bring clothes that do not crease easily. It helps to have clothes that are color coordinated. Leave space for when coming back. For your hand-carry luggage, 100 ml liquid only allowed. Laptop chargers, electronic gadgets, and power banks at your hand carry. Travel documents, pocket money, and personal belongings. Tip: pack in advance. I do this at least 2 days before I depart so I can buy extra baggage in advance before doing my online check-in. This way, I'd be able to save on the baggage cost. I bought our tickets last March during PAL's promo fair without the baggage allowance. Now that we are traveling in 4 days, I bought baggage allowance online and it cost me 1,500 for 50 kilos. Round trip for 2 persons. This is with Philippine Airlines. Paying extra baggage at the airport will cost me double the price or more. So, just a tip, buy extra baggage in advance and not at the airport. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I am off to Aklan for the next couple of days and hoping to have new content to share with you. If you have questions about domestic travel, let me know in the comments so I can check if I can share anything to help you with it. Bye for now. Have a sweet life, everyone, and be kind always.